I know you see what that says. Y'all ready? It's Julie, the nursing tutor. Let's do some Pitocin. All right. Somebody on TikTok sent me this first one, so it isn't numbered. But anyway, so the client is admitted to the L&D unit for a trial induction of labor. The physician has ordered Pitocin 1 milliunit per minute. Increase 2 milliunits every 15 minutes until moderate contractions every 2 to 3 minutes. You have 1,000 milliliters with 10 units of Pitocin. At what rate will you set it? First of all, you have to know that 1 unit equals 1,000 milliunits. 1 unit. I know it don't seem right, because to me, a unit was tiny. But here we come. Ethel done brought a milliunit up in here. Another thing, the physician orders Pitocin 1 milliunit per minute. 1 milliunit per minute. Look, I laminated them. Per minute. But I got to give them my answer an hour. So all you got to do is multiply this times 60 to find how many milliunits that would be in 60 minutes. And it'd be 60 milliunits. I'm not pulling it out because you know it is. So this is going to be our dose ordered. You get me? I believe you do. If they give you per minute and they're asking you per hour, all you got to do is multiply it by 60. Because then I can work with this, you know? So, so this is what Mr. Main wants, 60 milliunits. Now, I have 1,000 milliliters, and it's got 10 units. If 1 unit is 1,000, I mean, it's the same as unit to milliunit. If I'm going from unit to I should capitalize it. If I'm going from unit to milliunit, I got to move the decimal that way. So 1 unit, well, would be one. I'm grabbing it. 1, 2, 3. Make that a 0, 0, 0. It would be 1,000 milliunits. We got 10 of them, so it's going to be 10. 1, 2, 3, 10,000. Count them zeros. Do you hear me? I know you do. Promise me. It's going to be 60 milliunits over 10,000 milliunits times 1,000. Okay, so let's do it. Get your handy-dandy calculator. Pause it if you want. Divided by 10, 1, 2, 3 equals times 1, 2, 3 equals. It'll go at 6 what? 6 milliunits. 6 millimeters. Whatever the crap. Milliliters an hour. You know what I meant. By now, if you've been watching me, you're not expecting perfection. So here's another one. The nurse notes that a client is receiving oxytocin infusion via a pump that is programmed to deliver 30 milliliters an hour. The available solution is lactated Ringer's. Y'all ever done that? Ringer's lactate. 1,000 milliliters with Pitocin 20 units in it. How many milliunits per minute are they receiving? Okay. Get a swallow of your beverage. I know you just threw up in your mouth a minute, but just let's sit and think about this. So we know 20 units of Pitocin, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, is going to be 20,000 milliunits in 1,000 milliliters. Okay? This is working that other one backwards. Okay. So this is what I have on hand. The only information they gave me about what Mr. Main ordered was how fast it's going, 30 milliliters an hour. So dose ordered over dose on hand will work for this. If they gave me 30 milliliters and then what I have in my hand, that can do it. So 30 milliliters will go in the top of the fraction. And to go in this fraction, you've got to have the same last name. It's the law. And what do I have? I have 1,000 milliliters. Look, I'm giving you permission to do this. How does my 1,000 milliliters come? With 20,000 milliunits. We milliunit rich. Okay. And then we're going to do the math, okay? Help him breathe, Father. Inhale, he's going to help you. That divided by that times that. All right, 30 divided by 1, 2, 3 equals, count them zeros, 20, 1, 2, 3 equals. Let me do it again. 30 divided by 1, 2, 3 equals, times 20, 1, 2, 3 equals. I did something. Y'all probably see what I did. 20 milli-units, 1,000, 30 milliliters. Oh yeah, because look, we're not done. Hold on, it's 30, let me show you. I'm glad I screwed that up so I could show y'all. We're gonna get this and then times 20, 1, 2, 3 equals. I'm had a brain fart. So they are getting 600 milliunits per hour, right? And Ethel wants to know how many milliunits a minute. So if they're getting this an hour, we can divide by 60 minutes to find out what they're getting every minute. So 600 divided by 60, sure enough does equal 10 milliunits per minute. Look, we saved them. Okay. So I know your brain is scrambled, but just turn the fire down. Let's do another one. Oh, I must have numbered them wrong. Oh, well. Here we go. The healthcare provider prescribes oxytocin 0.5 milliunits per minute. Note that in your brain. It's per minute. So we're going to have to multiply it by 60. Anyway, for a client in labor, 1 liter of lactated Ringer's, why am I doing that? Ringer's lactate with 10 units of Pitocin is infusing. The nurse should program the infusion pump at how many milliliters an hour? All right. Let's start up here. They want 0.5 milliunits per minute. And look, on my scratch pad, I would write that so that I know where I'm at. And I'm going to multiply that times 60, and that's going to give me the milliunits per hour. And you have to make peace with the fact that it's going to take this whole freaking page to work it. 0.5 times 60 is 30 milliunits an hour. Now, what do we have in our hand? 1 liter. Of course, she spelled it out, Ethel. And you know, liter to milliliter, we got to go that away. So 1 would be 1, 2, 3, 1,000 milliliters. And then we got 10 units. And you know, 1 unit equals 1,000 milliunits. I hope it's all on the screen. And so 10, 1, 2, 3 is 10,000 milliunits. I'm just trying to, you know. So the 30 milliunits an hour is what he wants. The milliunits got to have the same last name I have is 10, 1, 2, 3 milliunits. How's that come? In 1,000 milliliters. And then we're doing this math, okay? This divided by that times that. 30 divided by 10,000. Don't look because you're not done. But count those zeros, dude. 1, 2, 3 equals 3 milliliters an hour. Look, boom. Sure enough did. Boom, we saved another one. Yeah. Okay, last one. I just wanted to give you a little something to think about before you go to bed. I hope it's helping. An IV infusion of D5 in normal saline with Pitocin 20 units in 1,000 milliliters. Let's go on ahead. If it's 20 units, we know how many milliunits it is. 1, 2, 3. I just can't help myself but do my little things. Even when I'm at home private, in my private time, I do that. So this is what we have on hand. For a client in postpartum bleeding, good night. So the solution is administered at a rate of 2 milliunits per minute. The nurse should program the pump. How many milliliters an hour? Okay, I know in your brain you noted minute, and you're not freaking out. Because if it's going at 2 milliunits per minute, we're going to multiply it times 60 to find out how many in an hour. Because it has to be in an hour for us to finish Ethel's problem. 2 times 60 equals, and that is 120 milliunits per hour, what Mr. Main wants them to get. So now let's set up our problem. What he wants is 120 milliunits. What we have is 20,000 milliunits per 1,000 milliliters. And then we're doing the math. That divided by that times that. Let's do it together. 120 divided by count. 1, 2, 3 equals times 1, 2, 3, 6. A good solid 6 milliliters per hour. Boom. We sure enough saved another one. 2, if she's, oh, well, no, it's just her. She's already had it. Okay, I hope it helped. Thank y'all for watching. Please share it. Share it with everybody. I mean, everybody. All your classmates. And follow me on YouTube at the Nursing Tutor 621. Just go over there, subscribe to my page. You don't ever have to go back. I mean, unless they do something to TikTok. But if they do something to TikTok, then you'll be glad you did. And follow me on Facebook if you want to. Okay? I hope it helped. I know it helped.